Hi, today I have a very interesting old small padlock. Is I don't know the name, but probably it's the
Låsbolaget Eskilstuna.
Låsbolaget Eskilstuna. This is a Swedish lock. It's old one. On this side there is a owl. On the second side there is this, like, I don't know what it is, but no other markings. And yeah, here's the key. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4 pin key, I think. Interesting one. And the interesting thing for this one, the keyway is like this. The interesting thing, when you try to open it, if you go clockwise, it's opening, but if you go counterclockwise, it's opening. So this one, I think this is the first lock that I have, that I own, that go both ways, can be opened. But yeah, let's try to pick it, because this is a very small one. I think it's without any security pins, and I will use this beautiful picked, made by, I think it was made by Jason Carlson. But yeah, let's start picking this one. 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 nothing, 4 click. I'm going counterclockwise first. 2, 1 nothing, 2 click, 3 click, from 4 again. So I think I need to pick, like, because it's maybe old, or because of the weird pins, I need to pick like every pin multiple time when I'm trying to open clockwise. But it's a bit easier when I'm doing counterclockwise. As you can see, it's core starts moving, so maybe it's like, and we're open. I don't know what kind of pins are inside, but I think they're like let's try for another side. I think the pins are like pretty wear out, it's standard, and now they're acting as yeah, I don't know how to say that, as a tip pin sometimes. So I touch 2 and 3. Now I'm trying to pick, now 4 it's binding, and we're open on this side. It's pretty easy. So yeah, pretty interesting lock, to be honest, more or less easy pick. So this was the Låsbolaget, I think, padlock, picked and got it. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.